Booksy's a game changer. I've been doing this for 15 years. And the thing with Booksy is, if you're a barber and you do it on a regular basis and you're in the shop 10, 12, 8 hours a day, you don't realize how much time you're losing communicating with clients while working on your client. Boom, you get a text message, you're interrupted. Oh, hold up, you know what I mean? Hold up a second. All right, and then you're going back and forth. What time? And you know, people don't get straight to the point. Times are changing, you need to change with it or you go extinct. So I feel like Booksy is not only something I recommend, it's a must-have. If you're a professional, be professional. If you're skeptical about spending $29.99, then you've plateaued.
I'm Mr. Official and Chicago Books with Booksy.
I felt like